Well, as we've started in this new year, it's time to make preparations for a hopeful and fulfilling 2023. In this video, I want to focus on preparing for the new year from the mental perspective so that we can make 2023 the best year of our lives. So, instead of merely following what others do, it's important to look at how we can prepare ourselves in terms of mindset. Today, I will talk about the 5 most important aspects that are essential to make this year the best year as yet. And I will explain why each one is important as we go along. From setting meaningful goals to cultivating healthier mental habits, each step will be explained in depth so you can understand why these topics are worth paying attention for. These aren't just buzzwords or common talking points, they are crucial success areas that we need to address in order to change the direction of our lives in this year. So let's get started on our journey towards greater success.
Hi, I'm Shirish Gupta, and I empower people to hack their success, rise above the challenges, and confidently create an extraordinary life they deserve.
Before we start talking about specific goals and plans for the new year, it's important to focus on mindset. Too often, people jump straight into the action without considering their mental state. But the mindset is crucial to achieving our goals. In order to believe that we can accomplish what we set out in 2023, we need to start building trust in ourselves by taking small actions and making small promises to ourselves. These can be as simple as watering the plants or trying out 5 minutes meditation. It's important to understand and remember that it's unrealistic to try to change our entire lives all at once. Instead, we should focus on making small, consistent changes that will help us build trust in ourselves. Even if we don't initially believe in ourselves, it's important to at least give ourselves a chance by taking small steps towards our goals. Well, starting now, you can look and feel and be more confident in your ability to achieve what you can set out to do in this year. So without even a little bit of trust in ourselves, it's hard to accomplish anything. Okay, now let's move to the second point. When determining your goals for 2023, it's important to have something tangible to help focus your attention. Dream boards are an effective way to visualize and manifest your dreams while helping you set clear and achievable targets. A dream board is a collection of images that represent our goals and aspirations. So you can create a dream board online using platforms like Pinterest, or you can create a physical dream board by printing out images and creating a collage. To create a dream board, take some time to think about your yearly goals and search for related images on Pinterest or elsewhere. Choose the images that resonate with you and make you feel excited about your goals. It's important to not only have the physical or digital dream board, but also to keep the images and feelings they represent in your mind. Imagine yourself achieving your goals and embracing the feeling that comes with it. This will give you the strength and motivation to keep going. Take your time with this process and try to visualize your goals even with your eyes closed. This will help you stay focused and motivated throughout the year. Another important aspect of preparing for New Year is goal setting. Now, in order to achieve vision we have for ourselves, we need to determine what we need to do or achieve and come up with specific goals. For example, if you want to move to another country by the end of the year, you might set a goal to find an apartment and start packing. To do this, you might need to prepare certain documents or learn a new language. It's important not to get overwhelmed by setting too many goals, especially if you're talking about just 1 year. Instead, focus on the few key goals that will keep emotionally attached. Don't be afraid to aim high and shoot for the stars. The goal is not just to maintain your current situation, but to grow and improve, right? If you are having trouble figuring out what your goals should be, don't worry, a detailed video on New Year planning is coming soon. To be notified, you can tap the bell button or subscribe to my channel. Well, as I said earlier, this video is about mindset, and motivation is a key aspect of mentality. And it's something that we should all be thinking about as we are preparing for this new year. While it's not always possible to rely on motivation all the time, it's still a valuable and necessary part of the process of achieving your goals. By using the right techniques and tools, we can harness the power of motivation to help us stay on track and make progress towards our dream. We've already talked about the importance of building a positive mindset, setting clear goals, and creating a dream board. All of these things can help you boost your motivation to keep you moving forward. Remember, it's okay to want and need motivation sometimes. It's a natural part of human experience, and it's important to embrace it and use it to our advantage. Now, at the other end of the spectrum from motivation is what I call as self-discipline. Let's be honest, self-discipline is what will help you make progress and achieve your goals 70% of the time. Without self-discipline, it's unlikely that you will reach any of your goals. And 2023 will be just another year that passes by without any real change. That's why it's important to make up your mind and commit to doing whatever it takes to reach your goals. Well, in all honesty, a 30% effort isn't enough to truly change your life. While it may sound harsh, the good news is that by consistently doing what you say you are going to do, even if it's just small thing like keeping your promises to yourself, you can build self-discipline. Don't view self-discipline as an evil and motivation as an angel, when they work together actually. It's only a matter of time before you see real growth and change in your life. Well, alright. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope you have the best for the future. There will be tons of new content coming soon on goal planning, setting a journal, and setting up for success. So stay tuned. I love you all, and I'll see you in the next video.